Hi everyone, today is day 3 of my 30 strokes challenge and I wanted to paint another watermelon slice because I really liked the reference photo that I found and I like that the plate that it's resting on is a similar color. So this is what I'm painting today. Another thing that I'm trying to stick to is trying to use a limited amount of colors, so a small palette. And when I mix my paint to do the shadow on the surface that the object is resting, I try not to introduce any more colors, so I try to make a dark shadow. It often ends up being a brown, but it's because I'm mixing the colors that I'm using on my palette. I think it ends up looking pretty good that way anyway, rather than just using a plain gray. So I was painting along and having fun, and the phone rang. Unfortunately, I forgot to turn the camera back on when I sat down again. So I think I missed filming about 2-3 strokes, but I really didn't get very far once I realized that, but sorry about that. I think the red for this watermelon is a little bit better than the one I did yesterday. That ended up being a little too earthy, a little too much like an orange brick. This one is a brighter red. And I used the same red, I just didn't mix my colors the same way. What's nice with oil paints is that I was able to save the colors on my palette that I used yesterday because it didn't dry. That's the advantage of using oils over acrylic paints. I think I'm starting to get used to it and I really enjoyed this exercise. It's a lot of fun. I think maybe using oils was also a good idea because it's so nice to use very creamy paints. There's a certain satisfactions you do not get with other painting mediums. And I'm starting to enjoy and letting go of not making my painting perfect and too detailed. It's fun just to know that it's okay. I'm just playing. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the next 27 days. I hope you're enjoying my little adventure. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye bye.